Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got another beautiful mulberry for you today. So this is a mulberry iris and I love this. I love the colour combination. So we've got chalk colour for the main bag, and then we've got this kind of rust red coloured leather contrast stitching along the edges. I think that's really nice, a really nice combination. And then we've got gorgeous gold hardware as well. We've got a plaited leather top handle, and then we've got 4 base studs along the bottom. And you can see on either side, these side gussets are adjustable as well with these drawstrings. So you can kind of just pull them tighter to kind of cinch in those side gussets a little bit. And then we also have a removable and adjustable strap. So we've got that strap on the longest setting at the minute, and you can see that it just clips on with those butterfly clips on either side. And then the main bag has a magnetic press stud fasten. And inside, we've got a lovely rust coloured suede lining, which is really soft in there. And then we've got one zipped pocket. I'll just show you that zip just there. And then on the other side, we've got one flat pocket as well. The condition of it, it is in a beautiful condition. We've called the exterior very good. It's mostly just because you can see the shape, probably just from where it's been stored, is kind of bent in just a little bit. And there's very small amount of marking on the bottom. So you can see on that bottom corner where it's a little bit dark there, and then you can see just a little bit of a mark just there as well. So very slight mark to the outside, but other than that, that leather is in a perfect condition. The rest of the bag is still that really nice chalk colour. And then the hardware we've called excellent. You can see it's actually still got its plastic sealing on all of it, so there is no wear at all to that hardware. That is in a really nice condition. And then the interior, again, we've called very good. It is a suede interior, so it's just kind of got very faint marking on it, which happens with suede. So it's not anything major at all. If you looked on the base, you'd just be able to see a little bit of marking. You can see that suede is just a little bit kind of frayed, but other than that, it is perfect on that interior. If you would like to know exact measurements, you can find those on our website. The quickest way to get to this bag on our website is to click the link in the description below. If you click that link and it takes you straight to this mulberry iris, that's perfect. It means it's still available to purchase. But if it doesn't, and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But get in contact with us and we'll get you on the request list if you are really interested in one of these. And then as soon as we have another one, you'll be one of the first to know. So that's the request list. I will show you what it comes with. So we have the mulberry tissue paper and mulberry paper bag. And it's a gorgeous colour, this mulberry paper bag as well. It's nice when it comes with the bag, it makes a nice gift for somebody. And then we also have the mulberry card sleeve. And inside there you'll have the mulberry care card and the little mulberry product tag as well, with all that product info on the back. And then finally, we've got the mulberry dust bag too. So I'm going to show you the size on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10 and I'm 5'4". You can have it just with that top handle, because that removable strap does come off. So you can just hold it like that, or this strap is on the longest setting at the minute, so you can pop it on your shoulder, or you can pop it cross body as well. I just think it's a really pretty colour combination, and this leather feels such a nice quality as well. So go to the link in the description below, have a look at this gorgeous bag on our website. Don't forget, while you're on our website, sign up to our newsletter and we'll send you through your welcome discount code. Have a look at the How to Sell With Us page if you're interested in selling your pre-loved designer bags. We'd love to see what we've got for us, so have a read through that page. Don't forget, while you're here, like this video and subscribe to our channel, and we'll be back very soon with some more gorgeous arm candy.